Nala. What was that, honey? I think there's a bird in here. Did you see that? It's right up here. Birdie. Oh my God, how am I gonna get him out? Birdie, go outside. Go, Birdie. Fly. Fly away. Come on. Come on, Birdie. You can stay in here. Go out. Birdie. Nala. How did he get in here, Nala? Shoot, the door is open. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Where'd it went? Nala. Where'd he go? Huh? Where'd he go, Nala? I think he went in the bedroom. Oh my gosh. Where? Oh my God, there he is. There he is in the window. Nala. Nala, where'd he go? Nala. Oh my God, he's. Oh my God, he's in the shower. Oh my God.
Oh yeah. Oh, a little one.
Oh my God, he's up in the mirror now. Go get him, honey.
Well, you told me to wait.
Well, how are we gonna get him?
I don't know.
Oh, don't turn on the light. Poor thing, it's probably hot up there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, so how are we gonna get him down?
I guess I'm gonna get him in here, and then somehow I'm gonna try to get him out. Okay, can I get it
So
now?
do you have the net?
Yes.
Okay.
You ready?
Should I close this door so he won't fly out in the
Yeah,
bedroom?
that might be a good.
On.
Come here, little guy.
Yeah, he's right there in the shower
I'm not trying
again.
to hurt you.
Do you think you can open the window right there? So he can fly out?
No, I can't open those screens. Look out, Oliver.
He thinks we're hurting him.
Yeah.
He
Wow.
doesn't know that we're trying to help.
Okay, I got him. Oh, shoot. I figured he'd get stuck.
Oops. Where he went? Okay.
That bird's smart. Look at that. No, you're not much help, girl.
Oh no, 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 no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do you want me to do it?
Do what? I don't want to hurt him.
I know, but oh my.
Okay, I got him now. I think he's twisted up in there.
Okay,
Oh, shit.
What happened? Oh my God. He's still up there. Ouch.
Yeah, you're going to want.
Just make sure that Nala doesn't get him.
I think he's going to make sure Nala doesn't get him. I thought he'd get caught in the net.
Do you think you can put it like, catch it by your hand?
I guess I'm going to have to, because he's not getting caught in this net very easily.
Let me go get a towel, okay? Let me see. Let me see if I can get him. Oh, poor thing. He's probably tired by now.
Yeah. Come on. We're just going to we're going to put you outside. Come on. We're trying to help you.
He just doesn't want it. He thinks that you're hurting him.
Yeah, I know. Get in the shower, Nala.
Okay, I'm gonna stop filming, so maybe let's see if I can catch him. Good. Nala. Nala, that's what's going on. Oh, poor thing. He's gonna fly
Come on,
fly
stay
out of
there,
there.
stay there, stay there.
Net?
Yeah, he
Is
went
the
right
net
through the
too
hole.
big?
Yes.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
that's what he
So this is
did.
not gonna help.
I wonder if it'll stay right there.
No, he's gonna fly off.
Well, let's try to guide him out the door then.
No, he's gonna be all over the house. I'm telling you. Let me see if I'm gonna try to catch him. Okay, with my hand.
See, watch, watch, watch. Look. See, look, he just goes right through it.
There we go, honey. Yeah, try to do that. Try to get him.
Shoot. What else do we have that we could use? I think we just try to guide him out.
You know what? Okay, we got the bird. We got the bird. We got him. He's inside the towel. We're gonna put him out. Come on, Nala. Hold on, Ed.
Okay.
Okay. Where's the birdie?
You
Let me
ready?
see. Hold on. Let me see. Is he okay? Is he okay? Oh, here he is. Yeah, he's okay. Okay, come on. Go. Go.